Session resume. Our last topic, look at the organization sa committees in accordance with the previous proposal na i-adapt ang kanan section 19. So we are na section 19 sa composition sa committees, splitting. Approve naman ang splitting into 20. Ang ato po is organization. Any further discussions or organization sa committees? Of course, we have the organization before, education and health as manifested by Kagawad Baguio na siya we have division. So the rest of the committee, ini Kagawad, Alinggo, recognize?
Yes, Mr. Chair. I move for the adoption and approval of the different committees, its chairmanships, vice chairmanships and memberships as per agreed by the body, unless there is any objection from any member. So if there is none, I would like to move for its adoption and approval, Mr. Chair.
Any second to the motion? Seconded. So for your guidance, no? We have here the proposal, written proposal, which contains all the chairmanships, vice chairmanships, and membership of the 20 committees. Hindi naman siguro ang ibasahon. Kaya naman magkapit. Now it is moved by Kagawad G.C. Palington. Mas seconded, of course. Mas seconded mo. Motion carried, approved. So wala na yung object, mas seconded man. Kaya mo nang ako debate. I-object po rin mo. So, with that, ang ginagawa na to, session adjourned. Ngayon na sa mga apa?
Other matters?
Other matters. Sa manang other matters.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask for a suspension of this meeting pending the approval for our RIP.
Approve na na. I-approve na ito ang RP.
No, pending the approval of our procedure regarding governing the
So, di-approve na, no? Gani nga, i-approve na ito ng Section 19. Pero ang atong i-approve po ng Section 19.
what I mean, Mr. Chair, regarding the live streaming, I vote for its suspension until such time that we are able to implement, gather all the necessary procedure regulating the operation of live streaming.
In fact, kung may penalty for non-news, ako lang katong resista, akong huwag i-appeal kay recess for discussion. Pero sa official declaration, sa may concern ko, mag-declare tayo ka private nga session kung may mga private matters. Pero kanang official maka nga other matters magani part of the business.
Because it seems to me that one of our members is asking for the procedure.
Of course, naatay ground for that. I dili ko familiar po sa ordinance nga live streaming. Pero ano nga duman na to? Ano ga-adapt pa rin? Ito na penalty for non-news. Ay mga kuan, depende siya so kung na mag-gawin private discussion like palitan confidential and like that ang PNP mo discuss o confidential matters or kanang privacy like na-involve po sa reviews. So there are things nga di na to pero kung sa man imong kung what is the topic that you want to discuss nga?
Before
Kamu may pamilya, you're one of the authors sa live streaming.
Kagawad Pangingkod is asking for the regulation regarding the operation of our live streaming of our regular station based sa Manila Bayan. But until now, I think we have not yet come up with the set rules regarding the operation of our live streaming of our system.
Dili ko pamilya, ano, pero nakabasa ko. Ang gason mo na ba, depende ko sa imong gason mo sa private or confidential na imong ano. Di, pumato, titikit naman tayo doon. Ano sa may kagulan mo sa live streaming? Because there's a provision to that, then kamoy na hibaw ang pagsagot, confidential in nature, and those which are private nga may involved o as I mentioned, o discuss ang police o issue na to or army, mga pwede na to, pero depende na mo sa may masagot si reason for the
Mr. Chair,
suspension of the live streaming.
upon approval of the ordinance, I kept on requesting the body for a guideline about the usage. Kaya narin yung secretary mo na natin mga komedya ba na dili na tumabantayan bitaw na
Mo gani nga kung nagtubig siya itong pero official discussion.
So I asked the body repeatedly nga, ato sa isuspend kayo, mag-come up tao kay happy regarding the use of our live streaming cameras. Kaya naroon natin
Once we can sa RB, committee hearing or whatever, di na to din
pwede magkuhan ko ta, kalang, I mean, ano sa talusog broadcast, ano sa natin i-post, kung sa mga issue ang kinahanglan natin i-broadcast, ato mga joke-joke, dili natin i-appear, nga na ba? So, kinahanglan ta kung may guidelines.
Basta mo yung kukuhan ang kuhan ang
So, I remember,
once it is official transaction din ato na i-broadcast.
so,
Pero kung na yung mga discussion ng hearings panlitan, di necessary una or na-discussion nga once nga na mag-unta, mauna na siya. Official na siya.
but I remember the request for a suspension of the live streaming in time kung may sensitibo nga.
Pwede. Kung na, depende sa kaso na yung tanong na po sa topic sa discussion kay confidential nature, private matters.
Naka-stipulate ito sa ordinance sa
Mr. Presiding Officer, I
Pagawan,
think
Bagyo.
to connect the ideas, maybe be presented, especially for the new ones, and also to our Honorable Vice Mayor, the copy of the ordinance so that we can possibly tackle it sometime next week, Mayor, kung Vice mo sa ilang question.
Oh, actually, you can get all the copies of whatever ordinance you have, we have. So, tanan open na dapat including this one, tanan nga ordinance na to, na good may copy. Gani usan na sa kong concern nga maggamatag codification kay ay ordinances, mga ordinansa kabalik-balik kay walay nag-focus nga i-codify. Mabuang na itong mga implementers kung sa implement. So, i-track na to. So, mga yung mga official matters mo na. So, committee hearings really isn't necessary. Ako nabasa ko gamay mo na. Kinsa man ay author na ito, di ba na ikaw gagawa siya? Niya, nahibaw ang pop, no?
Another resolution.
Pare matters na siya? Sige.
Resolution granting the request of the AIA Background Carpet Arena to hold special fight in line with the Town Vista celebration, which is will be on July 23, 24.
There's a motion, no, to what is it? Grant. Please receive the motion. Kagawa ka this. Granting IIA Batuan Carpet Arena to hold special cockfight in line with the Dawn Vista celebration should be on July 22 to 23. Any second to the motion? Second to Kagawad Salsis. So discussion. Ako sa chair personally, I beg to say I am not supporting that for the record, no? Kaya ko matagbalay franchise ang Buangan. In fact, there was a post by Ani, screenshot ipadatan ko dahil mayor. Nganong mayor ko ba ito? Nganong nanabigay post nga mag-open na. This question na sa next mayor. Kaya po manta nga muna status niya. In fact, issue na sa politika. Nagtuon ko na di ayaw ko daw na nga akong i-close, which is not the case. Klaro ka ito, no? Kagawad na this is not innocent on that. Most of us here, kaya pa man mong ikaw, you were one of the authors of the previous franchise, meaning 3 franchise. Na-expire naman to. Dili man na siya sa yun. So, depende ninyo, basta on my case that is questionable, gagawin natin sa Congress.
Kaya po kung explain na itong datong kanhing one process ordinance ko. Muna nga, gusto na namo i-renew, pero wala na mo na gibuhat kay po may na ay existing nga gihimo ang daan sa diyang bayan nga ay franchise.
So mauna nga siya nga i-discuss ninyo kaya po mo mula franchise. Depende niyo, that is your prerogative, no? I'm just manifesting kay na mga instances nga maadamay ang mayor, rather vice mayor. Depende po na sa kung vice mayor nga wala mo manifest on record. Manifest on record na we cannot grant cockpit authority to hold cockpit unless na franchise. Clarify na, no?
Mr. President Officer, anyway, I think the motion, the resolution is valid because there is a movement and...
I'm just manifesting. Yes, wala pa tayo mag-voting. Wala to masis candidate. We will vote on that. I just want to put it on record that I am not in favor of that. I have given my advice to you. If you are aware man mong wala franchise, then the way to solve is to apply for a franchise. Wala pa man tayo franchise soon. Ako lang hihimo, kaya daghan kayo manigsasunan nga madamay tayo. Member public ko, no? Member lang ko na problema ganito. So, I'm just putting it on record. Madam Secretary, I hope nga record na. So, discussion? Wala pa yung tubal. Secretary Becca Gonzalez, discussion.
May I move to adjourn the session, Honorable Presiding Officer?
Voting. So, what is the motion?
I think the motion is valid because there is the one who's sponsored and the one who's...
Yes, the motion is valid. In fact, I'm looking for, but it is not mass seconded, meaning not all are in favor. So, nagtawag of discussion. Kagawad, kagawad, Bagyo first. Ato lang, wait for my recognition. Kagawad, Bagyo, you have something to say? You recognize?
There was a quiet time, meaning there was a pause, so that's why I'm moving for, if there's no other discussion, then sige man tao, dali kayo, meeting naman ka sa taas, so that's why I'm moving for...
Yes. At mo na yung going to manifest na ko nga, that is my opinion. Kung mas sikandid pa ni uyong tanan, no problem. Wala man, di ba sikandid may kagawad Celsius. So, the right thing is discussion. O wala discussion, we proceed to voting. So, kagawad na ng recognize.
Honorable members of the body, this is on mass second.
Ito ang sikandid may kagawad Celsius. Kagawad Bautista is recognized.
To resolve this matter, so what to do by order?
Wala na discussion? Voting na? So, Kagawad Danas recognized?
Before sa voting,
Ako mga kayo open ako lang, pero laro ako na ako ng mga papel. Iso kayo.
Kaya diwas na lang. Yan after kagawa na rin, hindi kagawa na bagyo.
Iso yung mga taga-section permit, mga papel.
So, okay, kagawa na bagyo first before kagawa na. Kagawa natin si Sir Jimenez.
Nagawa ng question ba? Nganong sa previous niyang kuwan, ihatag mo o special permit sa barangay nga nangayo. O kini hinong buwangan nga nagbayad, dili na to mahatagan nga mapahiluna na to ang mga tao. O libo ba? Mura og masabot na to nga dunay problema. Pero ang usa ka barangay nga nangayo og special permit, wa damoy ni upos ninyo. Kani special permit ba nang ipangayo sa muan? Naisuwat nga nangayo og special permit ang tag-iya mo nang ipinagi na itong resolution sa 22, 23, 24.
That is the comment from Kagawa Takis na comment sa uban SB sa network sa Balaod what kay naman na no, meaning we are governed by laws. Pwede ang farmers organization mag-hold o kanang kakpay sa plaza for fundraising or whatever activities kung i-approve sa Philippine National Police. But the Philippine National Police will not approve without this resolution. Mo ko na ito sa kuwan. Kanang you will refer to the cockfighting law or sa discussion. Mahimo man na ni mo tanaw dito. Grounds, unsa mang mga instances nga pwede mag-hold o cockfight. Entertaining backbayans, fundraising sa farmers, and siya. So what I am not the part of the Sangguniang Bayan before, so maybe they can answer that. Wala ko, never ko na part sa Osaka Sangguniang Bayan na approving something like that.
Mr. Chair, last year I think we granted a special permit to Barangay Santa Cruz because of the fiesta celebration. So I think it is also for this fiesta celebration that we are asking for this.
It's your choice, no?
Yes,
Basta nagkanayin ko rin yung na-ground saan, that is farmers ang mag-sponsor. Fundraising, whatever activities, we have a law to that effect. Pero hindi naman, again, nagbalikos lang ko nga, Claro the chair is voicing his, may side. I just want to put the report kay kung ano yung problema. Kasi magbanda. Hindi rin dito. Yun ang choice. You can study now, you may hold a little time next week, pag mag-review, gusto mo, layo pa man na, pero ang nagkuha na discussion, yun yung choice na.
So,
there's already a motion. Before, o tanawa sa itong rules, no? Before mag-voting, may discussion. Unlike sa mga mas seconded, wala na discussion kaya uyo naman tanan. So, everybody said, dapat the Baguio is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Namin pending manifestation si Honorable Bautista to vote. Can we vote now so that we can proceed sa taas? Because
Yes, I recognize that nung nag-ask ko kay Kagawa Dano was manifesting, raising his hands, so with Kagawa the case. So, no more discussion. Let's proceed to voting. As many as in favor as a vote of the motion. Kagawa the vote is recognized.
Although I manifest to have divisions to the pero nilip mo butan na at last minute ang decisions of the mayor mo together. So
Everybody is
may I withdraw my manifestation to lay on the table until such times that the mayor will request the for the approvals of the motions.
Mr. Presiding Officer,
We will just wait for the second motion sa ta. We will comment later on any second to the motion.
there is a pending motion that we cast the votes, so maybe cast the votes now.
That is why Kagawad Bagyo,
That's why.
we have a rule to follow. No? Ang kuwan daw og you can even that the motion is to cast vote, but if it goes that, and the motion is low in the table, then if there's no second, we will proceed to the voting.
There is already a second by Honorable Carmillo Salces. According to our internal rules of procedure, all resolutions will be undertaken once there is a sponsor and there is a second. So it is in our internal rules of
Kagawad
procedure.
Bagyo, no? Our rule says that the motion, there is a
That is why
subsidiary motion.
we can we call
Anyway, Kagawad Bagyo, whatever is the decision of the body, it will follow. But the main motion is holding of fact. But the subsidiary motion is laying on the
So
table.
that is why we vote for the main motion.
No, we will get for the subsidiary motion. Because the main motion,
I beg to object on that, Mr. Presiding Officer, because according to our internal rules of procedure, any
no.
Any
On the contrary, what rule is that?
I think it is but fitting that we proceed with the voting. Because, anyway, if the sentiments of the body, if one, hindi mo prosper, then hindi mo prosper. So, what's the, your concern, Mr. Presiding Officer? Dili man ka maka, anyway, paano magbuni, raise of funds ng put.
Mr.
So, anong ba't yun man sa resolution nga? Resolution is a main statement. And this one is discretionary, subject to the approval of the LCE, as you have mentioned earlier. So if this is something that the LCE would not like, then it's already the fault of the LCE. So this is a resolution. May I remind that resolution is a mere statement. It's not even an ordinance. It's a mere statement. So a statement requesting for the special permit wouldn't hurt if someone from the Sangguniang Bayan will sponsor and someone from the Sangguniang Bayan will second. So, like any other permits granted during the hold of town fiestas, mga linya sa plaza, permits sa Mubuan, it's just customary that there is an expression from the Sangguniang Bayan. So, with that being said, we will proceed to answer the main motion, which is to call for vote. So, and that's honor whatever is decision of the Sangguniang Bayan. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
with all due respect, Kagawad Bagyo, no, under the rules, the main motion, as the main motion, there's a precedence. Once there is subsidiary motion, the subsidiary motions are prevailed. Then the main motion shall wait for the decision of the subsidiary motion. But it doesn't matter. For example, this one, the motion to lay on the table, it has not been seconded. If it does not approve, we will proceed to the voting.
Okay.
That is the rule. I just want to make it clear that the main motion will not prevail. It is the subsidiary motion, privilege motion, and incidental motion that will prevail under the rule. If it is not governing sa atong parliamentary rules mo na siya, pero klaro man na, I just want to clarify that. Then, secondly, dili man ang matter kay once wala pa na second o pa second motion, once nga wala yung approve sa kagawad ng lista ng motion, wala yung matagbutoy. Wala man ang ato lang is i-claro ato nga ang subsidiary motion mo prevail ka sa main motion. So ito nga na yung subsidiary motion kay mukuan sa pananglitan debate, we will limit the debate. Mao na siya, main motion. I think, can you present next time a research that the main motion shall prevail over subsidiary motion?
That is very technical, I guess, because it's already relating to
Hindi ako lang
parliamentary
klaro kay mo man na in case of nag-conflict mo palo man
So
sa
does
rule.
not follow that the
I just want-
subsidiary motion will also be called to vote the laying of the mattress
Yes,
on the
that
table.
is the rule.
So, may I therefore to give the resolution, may I state ang resolution?
Ang natulog man sa SB atong i-pass na nino,
That is why we-
kaya kung dili mo kaganan sa motion ni Bautista, mapatay mo na, mapatay mo sa voting. Pero maulang yun na nga, mo permit yun ang subsidiary motion. Klaro ka na sa rule. Gusto na kong maklaro kayo, wala man na magdrama ni. So we follow the rule. So wala pa punta mag-voting kay, wala pa sila ni motion. So,
Mr. Chairman,
ah,
although I move for the divisions of everybody, but nobody seconded my motion. So, I have the right to manifest, to withdraw my motion because nobody seconded my motion.
So, does that mean that we proceed with the voting, Honorable Lawrence?
No.
di, ang muta, ngayon no, naman po tayo kung ano, once na may motion, ang subsidiary motion may mag-prevail. Pero, dili niyo aprobahan ng motion ni Kagawad Bautista, mubalik na sa main motion. Ano man ay rule? Ako nagpalo lang sa rule, as president. Di po gusto nga ang rule mo na ingon nga sa'yo. The rule is the rule.
I have the right to withdraw.
That is right, wala pa yung second motion.
No.
So, can you, Mr. President, sir, with that, the
Subsidiary motion to lay on the table.
subsidiary motion has been withdrawn by Honorable Bautista.
There's no second to the motion yet.
Yes.
That's why I'm asking you, whoever will second that.
So
Wala yung second the motion.
So,
That is clear.
since it has been withdrawn, may we stick to the main motion, which is to.
No, what he chose is voting. Ikaw, Kagawad Bautista, ang samay, ang gingon ni Bautista, ni-move siya for voting, kaya kung may second, ni-move siya to lay on the table. Nya, why second motion? So, mao na akong kuan kinsa man, mao na pending nga motion. Lay on the table. Then we will why mo second? That is clear. Kung mo second, we will vote for that.
So we will vote.
Kakagawan palingkod.
Mr. Chair, since nobody seconded the motion of Kagawad Bautista, may I move to go to votation on the matter, Mr. Chair?
Mao na nangutanap ako.
Yes. Maman.
Nobody seconded. So let's proceed. Your motion is not seconded Kagawad Bautista. So let us proceed to the main motion. Asa man to again? The motion is a resolution granting the request of AIAE, Batuan Cockpit Arena to hold special cockfight in line with the Town Vista celebration, which will be on July 23, 23 and 24. 3 days. Who are in favor of the motion? Unsa may panahir sa ha? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who are against the motion? There's none. Who are abstaining? 4. The motion is approved. Any other matters? Motion approved and no need to second the motion. Session adjourned.